Hello everybody, this is Terry B, and today I have a massive chunky Yale lock. This is the key for that lock and the bit on the key there, if you can see that. And everything works nicely in there. This is a bit of a beast. I've struggled sort of to get an angle on the vise for this one. But I think that's quite comfortable enough, so I'm going to get the pick straight in and see if we can get the beast opened. This is the biggest one I've got, biggest one I've seen personally. There probably are bigger ones. I do like these Yale locks. I just like the vintage look of them. Just actually nice just to look at. This one's got like a saw mark on the shackle. It's just someone's tried to cut it off at some point. Not managed to get through. I put a little dent in there. But that is quite a beefy shackle on there. It would definitely take some cutting through with the hand tool. There we go, my signature noise my stomach's making. I don't know if this thing is, might be quite dirty inside, I'm not sure, but it feels a bit, I know it's an old lock, but it feels a bit chewy-ish inside. It's got a bit of a movement there. I wouldn't call it a set, but a false set or anything. But not the easiest lock to pick neither. And that is that open. Yeah, let's get that one out the vise and have a look. So you can see it is a bit of a monster, this one. A little bit rusty, but all you can see there where someone's tried to cut that shackle. And all working key. The biggest one I had picked was this one here. As you can see, it makes this one look quite small. But yeah, very nice. I love these. Like I say, I love these. It's a very nice lock. Got some age to it and everything. So yeah, happy with that. Happy with that pick. And I hope everybody enjoyed that one. So I think we'll leave it there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.